What's happening, guys? Coming to you today with a piece of car audio history. This thing is a gem. But before that, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this. So this amplifier right here is where Sundown Audio started its legacy. The SAZ-1500 was the first amplifier they came out with 15 years ago. Sundown just went through its 15th anniversary, and that's something to be said about that. I've seen so many car audio companies come and go just in the time that I've been doing it that it's crazy. So for a company to stand the test of time and be able to survive for 15 plus years, even 5 plus years, is crazy in the car audio community. So Sundown decided to come out with a limited edition 15th anniversary amplifier, the SAZ-1500, to celebrate this. So you can see right here the numbers that they have. This is number 1124 out of 1515. So it's a 15th anniversary. They did 1515 amplifiers. So once these are gone, they're gone. They are a more pricey 1500 watt amplifier, but it is a collector piece. So you're getting something that's going to be a piece of history through Sundown Audio. So you can see the finish on it. It's a painted finish with a mirrored logo. It's a beautiful amplifier. I've never seen one dynoed yet. I do believe they upgraded the RCA connections here to the Tiffany style. I think the first ones were just your regular RCAs that stick out the end of the amplifier. But other than that, it's very much the same. So you have your power and protection. You don't have a clip light on here because clip lights didn't start becoming popular until really a couple of years ago. You got 0 gauge powers and grounds, 8 gauge on your speaker inputs right here. But this amplifier is going to run you $659. So yes, it is pricey, but again, it's a piece of history. This is going to be a collector item. Obviously, you can use it if you want to, or if you want to put it on your wall and look beautiful as ever, you can do that as well. All right, that's going to be it for this video. Nothing too major, but it is something beautiful. If you are a collector of car audio, cool car audio items, this is definitely one you want to add to your arsenal. So be sure to check it out on downforsoundshop.com, home of the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same as cash financing on the website. So we'll see you in the next one. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.